Wondering what the best size thumbnail to make on YouTube? I'm going to show you right now. Let's do this. Now, a lot of the research you see online will tell you to do a 1280 by 1020 thumbnail, but in this video, I'm going to explain 3 reasons why you should make it 1920 by 1080. The first reason, I was speaking at VidCon a few years back, and a person from YouTube's team came to me after my talk and said, hey, make sure in the future you're always telling people to do 1920 by 1080 thumbnails, not 1280. And I asked him why, and he said basically it's just best practice. You know, the more information we have when we're compressing your image, the better the image is going to look. So just that alone, I changed always making my thumbnails 1920, giving YouTube a little more data so they can compress the image better. The second reason I make my thumbnails larger is in case I need to use this for other projects. For example, a lot of times I'll turn my thumbnail into an Instagram post or something else. And the third reason is future-proofing your thumbnails. You know, there's a lot of different platforms that use YouTube, from Hulu to televisions to iPads to Retina displays. Just there's so many variations of how people watch YouTube. I'm guessing as technology progresses and as internet speeds progress across the world, YouTube will eventually make their thumbnails larger. So you might as well be ready for it. I've hoped you enjoyed this video. I have a lot more videos you should check out. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to make next in the comments below.